If you're looking for a structured, streamlined approach to speech language therapy, then you are in the right place. I am speech language pathologist Carrie Clark, and I have created the Speech and Language Kids framework to give you a structured, systematic program that can be used to teach communication skills to children, but in a way that still allows for a lot of customization and individualization of the therapy. So here's how it works. You're going to start with our speech and language screening checklist. And this is something you can fill out with everyone on the child's team, parents, caregivers, educators, therapists. And we're just going to go through and pick the specific skills that the child is struggling with. This is going to narrow it down to a specific area, and then we'll pop over to the progress monitoring tool for that area. You can see here that the progress monitoring tools have 2 rating scales that we will use to track progress over time to make sure that our therapy is effective. Then the second page gives you more checkboxes to figure out which specific skills are impacting them in their everyday life. This, therefore, is going to lead you next to a therapy pathway. So our therapy pathways are these larger plans that are going to walk you through all the skills you need to teach to address a specific concern in one of these areas. So we have them for a lot of different challenges that children face when it comes to communication skills. But let's pop over to our vocabulary pathway. And then you'll find that each pathway is divided into 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And you can start at any one of these levels, and you don't necessarily have to do all of them at once. You could do one level, then go over and work on a different communication skill that they need before coming back to the next level. So you'll see that we have this program that is very structured, very systematic, but at each of these critical points is a decision that you, the human being, makes about where we take that skill and how we are going to work the program, okay? So I'm giving you everything laid out, but you're gonna make the decisions and customize the therapy to the level of each individual. So now we're on our vocabulary pathway. You'll see these 3 levels. So once you pick a level, let's say we're gonna go to our intermediate level, and this is about increasing word knowledge and use. You'll find a sample goal, and then you'll find these therapy plan modules. And this is what we used to call our no prep therapy kits, but these are specific workbooks that are gonna walk you step by step through teaching this skill. So each pathway has 3 levels. Each level has a set of skills that you can teach that will walk the child through mastering that skill. All right, so here is our comparing and contrasting. You'll see that it teaches the skill and then gives practice and then extra practice ideas as well. All of this is included in the Speech and Language Kids Hub. The full membership is what you need in order to be able to access all of our therapy pathways, all of our therapy plans. And then once you get in, you'll also see that we have these session builder tools, which are our AI-powered bots that will help you create custom word lists and sentences and images and social scenarios and all of the actual materials that you need to practice these skills. So we've got it all. We've got the whole system, the whole framework built out. You can follow those pieces, use our materials to teach the skills, and then use our AI bots to continue to practice. So we've got it all in here. Join us at hub.speechandlanguagekids.com. I can't wait to see you on the inside.